Greetings students, welcome to my class. How are you my dear students? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope the same for your family members. Students, please take care of yourselves and your family members too, as the cases are keep on increasing, and that's why I keep on saying that stay at home, don't go outside home. If it is an emergency that you have to go outside home, please follow the precautions told by the government. And everyone, you also know you are in 10th class, so you are not very small. Please wear mask, wash your hands, sanitize your hands. Whenever you go out or coming from somewhere outside, please have a bath, do sanitize yourself. Take care of yourselves and your family members too. I hope you are going to do that. Now coming back to the topic, in today's video lesson we have started this chapter, the fourth chapter of your English textbook, First Flight. The name of the chapter is From the Diary of Anne Frank. Anne Frank, we have read up to that when she means Anne Frank gave her diary a name because she believes that her diary is her friend, and she gave her friend a name, Kitty. So far we have read that Anne Frank was born on 12 June 1929, and at the age of only 16 years old she died. And she was born, her family, she saw the Second World War, and since when she got the diary when she was only 13 years old, and her father gave her the diary. She saw the Second World War, she saw everything about the Hitler domination, Nazis domination. Hitler was the head, and you people came to know that about reading that her family was lived in Netherlands, and Hitler, when Germany occupied Netherlands during the Second World War, then they have to went back to they have to take the shelter, or they had to hide themselves in her father's office, Otto's work, Otto Frank's building company. They lived there for 2 years, but then somebody disclosed their place, and they were caught, and then they were taken to the concentration camps where they were tortured, where Anne Frank died due to fever, and within few days of her elder sister died, Margot. And she starts telling that how we also came to know by reading that how she became so much popular, how her diary became so much popular and so much most widely read books. Because when after the World War, when World War ends, her father went back to Amsterdam, and he was the only survivor from his family. He went back, got the diary, got it published, and became the world's most widely read books. And then she says that she has been waiting for a friend. She has been waiting for a friend for a very long period of time. On the surface, if you will see, you will find she herself tell that अगर आप बाहरी रूप से देखोगे, दूर से समझोगे, तो लगेगा कि मेरे पास सब कुछ है. Yes, I have loving parents, grandmother, elder sister, 16-year-old elder sister, 30 people around whom I can call friends. I used to go to school, but I didn't have a friend whom I can express myself. यस, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना मिलना सब कुछ करती थी, लेकिन एक दोस्त की कमी महसूस करती थी जिसके साथ वो खुल सके. एंड शी हरसेल्फ सेज दैट things are like this, and I am it is my fault also that I cannot open myself to them. I can only talk about daily things, what is happening, but and she says she says that I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that's the problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the डायरी. सो वो अपनी डायरी इसलिए लिखना शुरू करती है कि वो सोचती है, चाहती भी है कि मैं एक ऐसा दोस्त बनाऊं जिससे मैं सब कुछ शेयर कर सकूं, जो मेरी पेशेंसली मेरी बातें सुन सके, कोई कंप्लेंट ना करे, कोई डिमांड ना करे, जज ना करे। प्लस अगर मैं जो ऑब्जर्वेशन कर रही हूँ, नाजीज़ के टाइम पे 1942 वर्ल्ड वॉर वॉज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन एंड Germany occupied Netherlands and she was in, she was hiding with her father. Then she was writing everything, so she could not talk to anyone, to her friends also. So she wanted a friend and she thought it is my fault only things, and that is the thing that these things are going to be like this only. So she started writing diary and she wanted her diary to be her friend, so she gave her friend a name, that is Kitty. So we have done oral comprehension questions also. Up to here we have read. Now further we will read, students. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, if I were to plunge right in, plunge means to jump or to come suddenly in between with force, I would better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. She is saying here that, since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, that if somebody is reading the diary and which is told to Kitty by Anne Frank, she is saying nobody would understand a single word of those story which I have told to Kitty, which I have written there, if I will not introduce myself, which I don't want to, but for that I have to, otherwise nobody would understand a single word. And that is why I would better provide a brief sketch of my life. मैं अपने लाइफ के बारे में ब्रीफ में इंट्रोडक्शन दूँ, संक्षिप्त चित्रण दूँ अपने लाइफ का, much as I dislike doing so, ना चाहते हुए भी, because if I will not going to tell about brief structure or brief sketch of my life, then nobody is going to understand any single word, any single word of the stories which I told to Kitty. जो मैंने किटी को लिखा है डायरी में, जो कुछ भी लिखा उसका किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आने वाला अगर मैंने अपने बारे में, लाइफ के बारे में छोटा सा एक संक्षिप्त विवरण ना दूं, संक्षिप्त तरीके से ना बताऊं, ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन. इट इज़ very important, although I don't like it to tell. So that's why she's telling about her life in brief. What she's saying, her father, she's saying about her father, my father, the most adorable father I have ever seen. She's saying कि my father is the most adorable, जिसके आप admire करते हो, प्रशंसा करते हो, ये सबसे ज़्यादा प्रशंसा करने वाले फादर थे जिन I have ever seen. जितने भी फादर्स को मैंने देखा उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा adorable was my father. And he did not marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. She's saying that her father did not marry to her mother until her father became 36-year-old and her mother became 25. जब तक फादर 36 साल के और मदर 25 की नहीं, तब तक फादर ने मदर से शादी नहीं करी. और फादर बहुत ही प्रशंसा लायक थे, आदरणीय थे. My sister Margot was born in Frankfurt. So her sister was name of her sister was Margot and she was born in Frankfurt in Germany. वो जर्मनी में ही पैदा हुई in 1926. I was born on 12 June 1929. So she was born after 3 years of her sister. She was younger one and her sister was older. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. So Anne Frank lived in Frankfurt until she became 4 years old. 4 साल तक वो फ्रैंकफर्ट में ही थी. My father emigrated to Holland. फिर वो emigrated means to leave one place and to go to another place. Maybe from one city to another city or from one country to another country. तो वो वहाँ से हॉलैंड चले गए, हॉलैंड में जाके बस गए. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank. It is the name of her mother. Anne Frank's mother name was Edith Hollander Frank. Went with him to Holland in September. और when her father emigrated to Holland and shifted there, her mother also went with him in September, while Margot and I were sent to Achan to stay with our grandmother. माता पिता तो जाके हॉलैंड में बस गए in 1900 and my father emigrated into Holland in 1933. When she was 4 years old, her father shifted to Holland with her mother, and both the sisters were sent to live with their grandmother. दोनों बहनें अपनी grandmother के पास चली गई रहने के लिए. Right, students? Margot went to Holland in December. In the same year she went to Holland, her elder sister, December में, and I followed in February. And in next year, in 1930, she went in the month of February, and Frank also went there. When I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margot, she is saying that her father first shifted to Holland in 1929, and her mother also went with him in September in the same year. Then they both were sent to live with their grandmother, and they started living there with their grandmother. And then in the September 1st, Margot went to Holland, and in February next year she also went to Holland, when she was presented as a birthday gift for her sister. Her sister was born in 1926, so she was born in 1929. So when they shifted in 1933, they shifted. Her parents were shifted, so she was 7 years old, and on the birthday of Margot, Anne Frank was presented as a birthday gift for Margot. उसकी बड़ी बहन के लिए एन फ्रैंक को एज अ बर्थडे गिफ्ट प्रेजेंट किया गया, टेबल के ऊपर, मेज के ऊपर रख दिया गया. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई स्टार्टेड राइट अवे एट द मोंटेसरी नर्सरी स्कूल. I stayed there until I was 6, at which time I started in the first form. First form here means class, first class में चले जाना. So when she went to Holland, she started right away, मतलब शीघ्र ही उसने जल्दी ही तुरंत नर्सरी स्कूल में उसकी पढ़ाई आरंभ कर दी गई, मतलब शुरू कर दी गई. They did not waste her time, so their parents put her into the nursery school, and her nursery study started. Montessori nursery school. I stayed there until I was 6. So कब तक थी? जब तक वो 6 साल की नहीं हो गई. At the age of 4 she went to Holland, and at the age of 4 she joined the Montessori nursery school, and she stayed there until she was 6. जब तक वो 6 साल की नहीं हुई, जब तक वो वहाँ रही. At which time I started in the first form. Or first form, FORM here means class. That time they used to call class as form. So form here means FORM. form mean दो किसी भरने वाला form नहीं है, class है यहाँ पर. Now so she stayed there up to when she was turned 6, at which time I stayed in the first form. In the 6th form, when she was in 6th class, my teacher was Mrs. Cupress. उसकी जो क्लास इंचार्ज थी वो मिसेस क्यूप्रेस थी. द हेड मिस्ट्रेस, जो साथ ही साथ प्रिंसिपल भी थी. राइट, मुख्य अध्यापिका, प्रधानाचार्य, प्रिंसिपल, हेड मिस्ट्रेस, प्रिंसिपल भी कहते हैं हम. At the end of the year we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. So in the same year when she was at 6, her class teacher was Mrs. Cupress, who was the principal of the school, and at the same end of the session or end of the year they both were in tears. दोनों ही रो रहे थे because it was a farewell. We said a heartbreaking farewell to each other. जो दोनों they went close to each other. Mrs. Cupress and Anne Frank became close to each other, है ना. And when at the end of the year they both were crying, they were both in tears because they were parting from each other, अलग हो रहे थे, farewell था. She was going. In the summer of 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation, so my birthday passed with little celebration. So 1941, in the summer of 1941, when her grandmother fell ill, उसकी दादी जो थी वो काफ़ी बीमार पड़ गई और एक ऑपरेशन होना पड़ा, इसलिए जो उस ईयर में उसका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन था. शी वॉज born in June, so summer of course her birthday, but in the same summer, same month, her grandmother fell ill, so her birthday celebration was a little bit celebration, not a very loud celebration, little celebration. हुआ celebration but ना के बराबर ही था, समझ लेंगे. मतलब little, I have told you the difference between little, a little and the little. Little means almost nothing, मतलब ना के बराबर ही celebration हुआ. Then students, in the next line is, grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. So her grandmother died in 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. And वो ये कह रही है कि कोई भी नहीं जानता कि मैं उसे कितना मिस करती हूँ और कितना उनके बारे में सोचती हूँ. She died in 1942. I still miss my grandmother. I still love her. And no one knows about that. So this birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other, and grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. So when in 1942, when she celebrated her birthday, this birthday celebration was intended, means she celebrated this birthday in the memory of her grandmother. She wanted to celebrate for her grandmother, that how much we were close. She had a very good bonding with her grandmother. So when her grandmother died in 1942, she celebrated her birthday and she lit an extra candle along with the rest of the candle, she has written, intended to make up for, क्षतिपूर्ति, intended to make up for, मतलब उस जो grandmother was gone, she couldn't have come back, अब वापस तो नहीं आ सकती थी, but to उसकी कमी पूरी करने के लिए, to fill her absence, she lighted one extra candle in the name of grandma with her candles, her birthday candles. Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. The four of us are still doing well. अभी 4 बच्चे, parents, sister, both the sister and parents. So the 4 of us are still doing well. अभी भी हम अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Now it is the time, और अब समय है, and that brings me to the present date of 20th June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. She is saying that we all are well, we are fit and fine, we are having a good health, हम अच्छा कर रहे हैं, अच्छी कंडीशन में हैं, अच्छा जी रहे हैं, अच्छी मतलब स्वास्थ्य है. And this is the time for me to bring you all to the present date of 20th Jan 1942 and the solemn dedication. Solemn means serious dedication, समर्पण of my diary. आज इसके साथ ही मैं आज की तारीख 20 जून 1942 पर आ जाती हूँ और साथ ही साथ अपनी डायरी के लिए जो मेरा सीरियस समर्पण है, गंभीर समर्पण जिसको हम बोलते हैं सीरियस डेडिकेशन, उस पर भी आ जाती हूँ. Now students, there are 2 questions. These 2 questions also you have to do in the notebooks. 3 previous oral comprehension check. Now this is also. Now first question is, why does Anne provide a brief sketch of her life? Very easy. In the starting of this page which we have read, it is just written over there that she is saying Anne provides a brief sketch of her life in the starting of because she thinks and she thought that if she would not do that, nobody whomsoever is going to read her diary, nobody would understand a single word of the stories told to Kitty by her. That's why she give the brief sketch of her life. क्योंकि अगर वो ये सोचती थी कि अगर वो अपने बारे में नहीं बताएगी, अपनी लाइफ के बारे में छोटा सा क्या बोल दो डिटेल नहीं देगी ब्रीफ में, तो nobody is going, whomsoever is going to read, any person, nobody is going to understand a single word of the stories told to Kitty by me. तो वो यही सोचती थी, कारण यही था अपने लाइफ के बारे में छोटा सा डिटेल देने का, कि ताकि जो लोग पढ़ें उनको समझ में आ जाए कि किसकी स्टोरीज है, क्यों कौन क्या कह रहा है, ठीक है। इसलिए उसने अपने बारे में, तो although she did not like that, yet she did that, right? We have read that. Now second question is, what tells you that Anne loved her grandmother? अब हम क्या चीज़ें बताते हैं that Anne loved her grandmother? In the book it is written, right? Anne had passed a long time with her grandmother. As we have read, it is clearly understood that when she was only 4 years old, she was sent to her father. Her parents were shifted to or emigrated to Holland. So her sister and she was sent to grandmother. She lived there and she passed a long time with her grandmother. She was very close with her grandmother. In 1941 also, when her grandmother fell ill, she mentioned that year she has little celebration of her birthday. ना के बराबर ही था. In 1942 when her grandmother died, she lit an extra candle with along with the rest candle just to make up for her grandmother. So this tells us that she was very close to her grandmother. And she says that no one will understand and realize that how much I miss her. So to make that absence, to make up for the absence of grandmother, and to we can say to show that she loved her grandmother, she lit an extra candle with rest of the candles. She lit that when she celebrated her birthday, and that was the main reason to celebrate her birthday in that year. In the same year when her grandmother died, she celebrated her birthday. She shouldn't have, but why did she celebrate? She celebrated because she was missing her grandmother too much, and she says that no one will understand that how much I love her, how much I miss her. So that's why she celebrated her birthday, to make the absence of her grandmother, and for that she lit an extra candle with the rest of the candles. And these things tell us that she loves her grandmother, and she loved her grandmother, and they had a very good bonding with each other. So students, in today's class, that is it, I think. But I want you people to read up to here. The four of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20th June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. We have read up to here. We have discussed this oral comprehension check 2 question answers also. So I want you people to go through this chapter up to here, and if you find any difficult word, please find the meaning of that difficult word in the dictionary. When I say go through a dictionary, that does mean that I am saying you to find the dictionary. Dictionary does improve your vocabulary, and if you have good vocabulary, you will have a good communication skills too. So in today's class, that is it, students. We will meet tomorrow again. Thank you.